Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 8 reasons your home might be looking cheap. Now, I'm all about decorating on a budget. I really do believe you can achieve that high-end designer look without breaking the bank. So if you're trying to achieve that same thing in your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now here's something that's probably affecting the look of your home. This is a very common design mistake that tends to make your home look cheap. If your home is lacking texture and layering, your home starts to look very flat, not very welcoming, not very warm and cozy, and doesn't give you this designer look. It starts to look very basic, almost like you just put your furniture and those basic pieces in and you forgot about the rest. That is really giving off this cheap, unfinished look. And a way to really build off that is think about your room in layers. Now this starts from the walls into your accessories. You can add layering with molding, with curtain panels, with rugs and pillows and throw blankets. It's all about really adding that layer one bit at a time until your room is fully complete. So it's not about picking expensive furniture, expensive decor, and all the high-end finishes. It's just about layering to create this full finished look. If you're doing a renovation, think about choosing multiple different textures in one space to really make it look interesting and just exciting looking. But you can also add layering into your home with a simple coat of paint. I think paint goes a long way when you're trying to add an extra layer into your home. Think about using a contrasting color to paint your doors and your trim around your home. That is a very affordable thing you can do that really adds this accentuating layer to your space and makes it look more interesting and custom. Now, another very common thing that starts to make your home look cheap is if your home isn't very well maintained and cleaned. Now, this comes down to the details. When you're looking at your sofa, is it dirty? Is there dog prints on it? Is there food stains? There's something about a clean, pristine home that looks luxurious and maybe looks like you have a cleaning crew. It just gives off this expensive look, even if it's not. I just introduced some new cleaning tools that I found on Walmart that really help maintain my home and make cleaning quick, easy, and effortless. There's limited time deals on Walmart right now, and they have such a wide selection of products. Their deals event is happening from October 8th through to October 13th. So starting on Tuesday, October 8th at 12 a.m. Eastern time, it's early access. So all the deals will be live on the site for Walmart Plus members only. And then later in the day at 12 p.m. Eastern time, the deals will be live for all shoppers on the site. On Wednesday, October 9th at 6 a.m. local time, the deals are live in store. So that's when you can really shop in your local store and get all of the best deals. And this deals event is going all the way till Sunday, October 13th at 12 p.m. Eastern time. The deals event will end on site and at store closing time. It's one of my favorite places to look for new items in my home on a budget. I found the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro 3-in-1 vacuum and mop self-cleaning system. This allows me to vacuum and mop all at the same time. You can even go over your carpets to maintain and clean your carpets. It is just incredible. So this picks up dry and wet messes, so it really allows me to do all of my floor cleaning with one simple tool. I also got the Dirt Devil portable carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. Now this is something you need for your main sofa and soft pieces around your home. This allows you to pull any stains out of your fabrics and really maintain that fresh scent. I also got the Time and Table granite 12-piece cookware set. It's non-stick and it's in the color taupe and gold. Now, I love these practical pieces that you're going to use every single day in your home, but that non-stick feature about it makes it super easy to clean, so it really makes it enjoyable to use. These come in multiple different colors, and again, they were on sale on Walmart. They are such a good deal, and I love having those beautiful pieces in my home that are also budget friendly and add to the overall style and design of my space. So thank you so much again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. If you've been looking for some new items for your home, this is definitely the time to shop on Walmart. Their deals event is happening from October 8th through to October 13th. Shop on Walmart to find all of those amazing deals on everything for your home. Now, I'm always sharing tips and tricks on how to successfully hang your curtains and your drapes in your home to make them look beautiful, designer, and custom. But I am never using custom curtains. I'm never using high-end curtains. I always use affordable pieces. So there's ways to make them look designer without spending a ton of money. And one very specific detail is the length of your curtains. You should always measure for the length of your curtains, because as soon as you hang curtains that are too short for your space, it starts to throw it all off. There should never be a gap between your floor and the bottom of your curtain. If there is that gap there, your curtains need to come down and they're the wrong length, and you need to go for a longer size. Now, usually this happens by hanging your curtain rod at the wrong height. To calculate where to hang your curtain rod, add 1 more inch to the length of your curtain. So if you're using 96-inch curtains, hang your curtain rod at 97 inches off of the floor, and that will be the perfect length to hang your hooks, rings, and your curtains will hang right to the floor. This all needs to be measured and figured out before you install them, so that you create that high-end designer look and don't make your home look cheap with short curtain panels. Now, if you want to create that warm, welcoming feel in your home, it all comes down to which light bulbs you're using. I know it's such a specific detail, but it makes such a big difference. And I think the most important element to think about is the temperature of your light bulbs. I love a 2700 Kelvin light bulb. That's gonna give you that warm glow light. Anything above 3000, in my opinion, that's what really ends up showing blue. And that blue tone, that cool temperature, really starts to make your home look cheap, not very welcoming, pretty stark. There's something that doesn't feel homey about it. So if you want to create that elevated feeling in your home, make sure that all of your light bulbs around your home match in color temperature. So before even thinking about updating fixtures, think about really nailing that light bulb and making sure that you have the beautiful light glowing throughout your home. Now, if you look around at your home, specifically your kitchen and your bathroom, and you see a ton of branding and products and clutter and busyness, it's probably because you haven't turned those everyday items into decor. Everyday items can be coffee, utensils, soap pumps, scrubbers, cleaning supplies. All of those things that end up being left out should be decorative for you to get that designer look. This can be done with pretty much everything on your kitchen countertops, everything in your bathroom, your laundry room, all of those high traffic areas that tend to collect product and clutter. Choose items that will look decorative while also being functional. This could be as easy as concealing your tissue boxes under a tissue box cover. This is a way for you to integrate that everyday item into your home and make it look like decor. It will stop your space from looking cluttered and really give it that finished designer look. Now, I think every home or space should have some kind of unexpected element. That's what really ends up making your home look designer, well thought out, really custom. But if your home just has kind of all the basic furniture that every home really needs, it starts to look a little bit basic, boring, and can come off a bit cheap. So when you're thinking about decorating your family room, or your living room, and your bedrooms, think about bringing in some kind of interesting piece. Maybe bring in a games table in your family room to add that extra element into your space. This could be a built-in window seat. It could be a TV on an art easel. Large or small, all of these unexpected pieces really add a lot of drama to your space and create this designer look. Now, when it comes to pendant lights and chandeliers, it's all about hanging that pendant light at the right height. There are guidelines to all this so that you end up achieving the right proportions for your space. When you have a chandelier or pendant light hanging way too far away from the surface that it's used for or the room that it's in, it really starts to look lost and doesn't look like another design element adding to the overall look of the space. When you're hanging a main light fixture in your space, like we did here in our living room, make sure that it's hung at least 7.5 feet from the ground. This is going to allow you enough clearance, but that height is really going to make that chandelier look like it's a part of the space. The gap between your dining table and the bottom of your light fixture should be around 33 to 34 inches. Getting into 40 inches, the ceiling light fixture is way too far away from the table and it starts to look very disjointed. So make sure you follow these guidelines to really achieve that designer look in your home and make your light fixture a part of your space so that it doesn't look cheap. So it's not about getting the most expensive light fixture, it's just about hanging it properly. You could have the most affordable light fixture and really achieve that designer look just by getting those proportions right. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can make your workspace look designer and high-end without breaking the bank. Your home does not have to look cheap even if you're on a tight budget. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!